We're here recording the score for Pete's Dragon, and Lindsay was kind enough to come in and play some violin solos on the score that I composed for the film.
I'm a Pete's Dragon fan, so I was so excited when that was the project. And meeting Daniel right off the bat, it was like, this is gonna be fun. Oh, good.
The first time that I met Lindsay, she was wearing a t-shirt that said "Eat, Sleep, Violin" on it. And I thought, oh, I know. This is gonna be great.
I've always kind of hoped like someday I'd get to write on a score, be on a score, do some soundtrack work. And so when I got the call, I was so excited. You know, it all happened so fast. I can't believe that now I'm here in London doing it. Higher! It was a really cool experience to kind of think, you know, what is the boy feeling right now? And if his soul was singing through my violin, what would it be saying? I've never written like that before, and it was a really neat experience. I love anything Disney. It's a bucket list of mine. I've always wanted to work in soundtracks, so to start to get into that world, it was really fun.